Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your working library so Final Cut Pro runs smoothly on a MacBook Air. Create a library on your internal SSD or a fast external drive and set media and cache locations. This reduces choking during playback. Import clips using File Import Media, and if your machine struggles, choose Optimized or Proxy files. Once done, make sure project resolution and frame rate match your source. This ensures accurate trims and prevents cross-format scaling later on. You now move into building the edit. Place clips on the magnetic timeline and use select, trim, and position tools to shape timing precisely. Learn JKL playback and skimming to audition cuts quickly. When clips overlap, make compound clips to keep tracks tidy. For audio, add keyframes to balance levels and reduce background noise. For visuals, use the color board or color wheels to fix exposure and balance. These steps save time and keep performance steady on a MacBook Air. You're at the final stage. Choose Share and pick a preset, master file for archive or Apple devices /H, 264 for web delivery, and confirm resolution, codec, and bitrate. Once exported, consolidate and back up the library to an external drive or cloud to preserve edits. If export stalls or playback is choppy, first delete render files and relaunch Final Cut. Make sure Mac OS and Final Cut are updated and that you have ample free SSD space. If needed, retry export using proxy files for stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.